Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jayco door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a power drill with appropriate bits, and your brand new replacement door handle. It's crucial to ensure the new handle's dimensions, especially the cutout size, match your existing one perfectly. Double-check that all necessary screws and mounting hardware are included in your new handle kit before you begin this straightforward process, ensuring a smooth installation. Now, let's remove the old handle. Begin by locating and carefully removing all the screws that secure both the interior and exterior handle plates. Typically, there are 4 to 6 screws in total. Once these are out, gently separate the two halves of the door handle assembly. Take your time to avoid damaging the door's finish. Finally, carefully pull the old handle components completely out of the door opening, making sure no small parts are left behind. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Start by inserting the new exterior handle into the door opening, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the pre-drilled holes. Next, attach the interior handle, carefully aligning it with the exterior component and the latch mechanism. Secure both halves with the provided screws, tightening them firmly but not excessively. You want a snug fit without stripping the screws or deforming the door material. Finally, it's time to test your new door handle and make any necessary adjustments. Operate the handle multiple times, both from the inside and outside, to ensure smooth and effortless operation. Verify that the latch mechanism engages and disengages correctly, providing a secure closure. If anything feels off, make minor adjustments to the screws until the handle functions perfectly. This final check ensures your Jayco door is secure and easy to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.